Hi everyone! This week we wanted to do a little tutorial all about how to do your eye makeup when you're wearing your glasses. With all the increased screen time lately, I'm trying to wear my glasses a little bit more because they have that great blue light protection. And there are just a few tips, tricks, and techniques that can help you really emphasize your eyes when you've got your glasses on. So the first thing I'm going to do is define the eyes a little bit more. I've got my Ebony Tightline here from Laura Mercier. Just gonna wet it a little bit. And then I've also got my flat liner brush. So I'm just going to stabilize the eyelid and press and wiggle the brush all the way across, well, about 2/3 of the way across. And that is going to define the eye. Alrighty. Then I'm going to take my Cafe au Lait eyeshadow, love this eyeshadow. Little bit on my brush, tap out the excess, and define the crease. And I like to do the actual crease of the eye rather than above or below. And you can see we've got some nice definition there. A little bit on the other side, right in the crease. Windshield wiper motion, as we always like to say. Keep it nice and light. It doesn't have to be dark to make an impact. And then I'm going to take my Morning Dew eyeshadow, regular eyeshadow brush, and then swipe right across the lid, really emphasizing the brightness of the lid into the inner corner. And I might actually even do a little bit more because I'm liking the way that that looks. Whatever's left over on your brush, right underneath the brow. There we go. Okay. Other side here. So what we're doing really is emphasizing the crease with a gentle brown tone, emphasizing the lid with a brighter nude, and the brow bone as well. Perfect. Just get off any of the excess. Tight line. And then finally, I'm going to take my highlighter. I love these highlighters, Illuminators from Laura Mercier, with my brush. And then I'm going to focus in the inner corner with my illuminator, above and below. So you really kind of get that inner corner, which always looks really nice. Teeny bit on the brow bone. Again, nothing aggressive. Inner corner, right underneath, a little bit on that brow bone. So you've got a nice, bright, natural eye look. And I find that with that definition, the bright on the lid, that little bit of definition in the crease and on the brow, you really pop when you put your glasses on.